the most important thing is attitude of a person. The attitude decides the altitude of a person. If your attitude is good, positive, that decides how far in the life you'll go. So I'm not a professional speaker, but I thought that I should tell whatever we have experienced in life, so that people can try to do whatever to the extent possible. So that will definitely give them a good character building. And this is the most critical time in life, I tell you, is from this age, the engineering phase. See, engineering, what we are doing today, don't think that it will be used as it is. Why you do mathematics? Mathematics is not there. Most of us read mathematics, but it's not used now. Mathematics helps us at analytical ability, so that any issue is given, you can break down the issue into a different forms. So what we should do this 4 years period is what you can say what your life will be in future. So it is good because today evening we saw around all the laboratories, the excellent laboratory, and I must appreciate Mr. S.K. Chaudhary, who has done a noble job. And he is not only he is helping the society, and it is good that he said that his mother said something. We want more Mr. S.K. Chaudhary and in our country, so that more and more people will be literate and do a good job. See, today if you see our economy is growing at the rate of around 8%, 7.5 to 8%. But the government is trying to reach a double digit, like 10 or more. You will be surprised to hear the Chinese growth rate is so high. See, you see their power situation, they have 400,000 megawatts. And every year they add around 25,000 megawatts. But you think about us, ours is totally 125,000 megawatts. Our addition per year is around 3 to 4,000, 5,000 megawatts. We have to cross our barriers, and like the economy is growing at 8 to 10%, the energy requirement will go up. So we have to do lot many things now. We have to do more tasks much higher. So those are the people who are, see, they are the people who all of you are the people who will have to take this nation high. I must thank all of you for your patient hearing. I must again thank Mr. S.K. Chaudhary to give us an opportunity to express our views. Thank you.
Very much, sir. Very soon we'll be having special awards for some special people. But before that, I would like to request His Excellency Mr. Olya E. Semenets, Ambassador of Ukraine, to be present here with his precious words for the students.
Mr. S.K. Chaudhary, President, Chaudhary Educational Trust, Mr. R.N. Nayak, Executive Director, India Power Grid Corporation, dear friends.